Hello everybody. I'm so glad today to welcome to my studio Dr. Sachin Goyal. Dr. Sachin Goyal is a DAMS pre-foundation course student, and I'm so happy to introduce you to him today because he has done something which many of you will find really motivating. He has improved from a rank of 35,000 in the last NEET exam to a rank of 11 in the same exam. I think he has done something which most of you are looking forward to do in the November exam. So without wasting more time, let me invite Dr. Sachin into the studio now. Sachin, tell us, in the beginning of the interview itself, I want you to tell us that is it possible to improve from 35,000 to rank 11 in the AIMS exam?
Sir, initially, even I didn't even thought of something doing like this. When I got my rank of 35,000, I was like completely doomed. I think I can't do anything. Uh, but yes, one thing I liked about me is that I made my decision very clear that I have to target for mid-year exam. Whatever may be the result doesn't matter. But I have to target mid-year exam. I don't care about the result, and I think that's the best decision I have made during my preparation, and it helped me a lot. Literally, I was not even thinking of next NEET, which most of the students like. I can easily say if a student get a rank of above 10,000, he usually think of dropping a year and then try for the NEET exam or November aims. But I, from the very initials, I was very much clear that I have to target mid-year exam, and if you have targeted something, then I don't think it's very difficult to achieve that thing.
And if you target, then only you can up your work and put in massive hard work. I'm sure you must have put in a massive hard work in the last 4 5 months.
Yes, yes. Last 4 5 months was like I haven't studied this much in my whole MBBS examination.
And Sachin, I want to know that you joined DAMS in your second prof in the early
Yes,
in the foundation course.
Yes, sir.
So how was your
Yes,
experience at that time? When you were first time introduced to the competitive exams and from the basics itself. How was the experience?
So the experience was really good. Initially, I was very much casual about the subjects. Like I was very much like I have to. I was in a very enjoyable mood. I was not very much focused about doing the things. But when I joined DAMS, I saw the competition, the dams. I saw at competition at the dams, and that make me think about less. Yes, I have to do MD, and dams helped me very much in that thing. Dams made basis of my second year. I first and second year, and the teachers was really awesome. The teaching pattern, the classroom pattern, I really like that pattern.
And did you enjoy the classroom experience when you were sitting with batchmates and some of them would answer, some of them would not answer? Did that did that make you feel, and the teachers would be there, you could talk to them, and did that introduce you to a new world? When in is just a few years back, maybe you came from PMT, and after doing well in the PMT, now you come back to a competitive environment again in the second prof. How was that experience?
Yes, sir. After PMT in the college, we have no competitive touch. But when I joined DAMS, I literally saw my batchmates who were performing much better than me. Then I myself feel like I have to study. I have to be at par with my colleagues, and that was the things that DAMS imbibe in me. And teachers were really awesome. The classroom experience was really good. I really like the pattern, the teaching pattern which teacher used to follow.
Any particular teachers that come to your mind today? Anybody who's you interacted with on the Facebook group or in the classrooms, or did you solve your doubt, or something that comes to your mind today?
Yes, sir. A lot of teachers, but notably, I would like to thank Dr. Anupama Devgan, ma'am. He made physiology very crystal clear. And then I would like to thank Saurabh Sharma, sir. Ophthalmology was like vast subject of mine, and Saurabh Sharma sir made ophthalmology so much easy. I am really thankful to Saurabh Sharma sir. Then Deepti Bahal ma'am, the gynae ops notes are gold standard. You don't even need to study a pin from outside of that notes. And then Mamta Java ma'am, he made you learn microbiology things so much easily. She made the mnemonics she used to share on the Facebook club. And then I would like to mention Ranjit sir. I continuously used to follow his Telegram group, his Facebook post, and they were really helpful.
And how was your experience with the eMedicos app, with the DAMS question bank and the resources that you have there, the tests, and how was your experience with the app?
So experience was really good. What I liked most about the eMedicos app was that the new pattern question you introduced in that. In I think no other app there are so many new pattern questions which we used to find on the eMedicos app. I solved a lot of new pattern questions, theme-based question. Yes, sir. I really like the new pattern questions on the eMedicos app. I didn't find such question on any other app. So in this way, the eMedicos was very unique, and there are a lot of questions like clinical vignette, the assertion reason type, match the column, and they gives you a lot of clinical exposure. A lot of clinical based questions, and I really like that new pattern question. Also, I like the video based question which were on the eMedicos app, and I also used the quality of questions was really good. It was stimulate you like a real exam, and I really like that pattern.
And did you also utilize the AIMS capsule and the DVD review on the app? And the
yes, sir. Yes, sir. In the last 7 days, I remember in the last 7 days, I give dedicated 3 days to AIMS capsule only, and I keep on listening AIMS capsule on repeated mode. Like I remember I listened AIMS capsule for around 2 times in the last 3 days, and that was really helpful, especially the ophthalmology part, the obs and gynae part, the radiology part. That was helpful.
Sachin, also tell me about, when you were giving this AIMS exam, this AIMS exam was different from previous exams this time. The only single best response was there. There were no video based questions. Anything in particular you want to tell future aspirants about this AIMS exam?
Sir, I found this exam a little unexpected. I wasn't expected this from the usual AIMS for which we are preparing. It was more like of a factual and less of clinical based. I find like that. Although there were some direct repeats from the past years but it was more of like a one-liner. But yeah, AIMS is you can't expect anything from AIMS. AIMS can be unexpected, especially in this pandemic time. But I would like to say most of the questions were from the I would say from the important topics only. If you have done your past year exam well, I don't think there will be any problem for you in the exam.
Were you happy with the quality of questions and the exam skill development that happened through Grand Test and SWTs in the eMedicos app?
Yes, sir. I was very much satisfied. I used to give a lot of Grand Tests, literally a lot of Grand Tests, especially not because Grand Test makes, especially Grand Test picks the things you have missed. I think the examiner know what you don't know, and examiner picks only that thing in the question, and that's the thing I would like to suggest everyone to practice as many as Grand Test as he or she can. Also, Grand Test makes you adjust the time you have to give in the exam. I remember I used to complete my every Grand Test in around 2.5 hours. I never gave more than this time, and this helped me a lot in the actual exam when the stress is so high that you. So Grand Test really helped me a lot.
And I think those tests help you with the time management. You get to know that how a long paper
Exactly.
how much time you have to give. How many questions did you attempt in this AIMS exam?
Sir, I attempted around, I think, 196.
Which is good. I think you were
Yes.
aggressive in the paper, and there was which
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
tell
I saw your video. I saw your video, and I was in. You have to get rank. You have to.
yeah. And tell me about did you give the PGI exam also?
Yes, sir. I gave the PGI exam, and I sort of like the PGI exam more than AIMS exam. I really felt more of conceptual thing in PGI this time, which uh,
Yeah.
uh, which I usually didn't thought of that I would like to I would get that thing. And there was also a lot of images, but the image based question was really easy. That was not a big problem. But I really liked after the PGI exam, I felt like my PGI exam was much better than what I did in my AIMS exam.
Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the results as well. And
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
because I think we might be taking another interview of yours after the PGI exam also. I think with the kind of
Yes,
work
sir.
you've done. And
Hoping for
so
the best.
yes. And please tell us, Sachin. But my question here is that you have made a dream comeback. Like a lot of students would be wanting to do this, and that from 35,000 you are sitting at a rank 11. You know, what do you keep telling yourself? What is the mindset that you have? Like when you had a rank of 35,000, some people would have told you, "यार कि नहीं ये तेरे से नहीं होगा."
Yes, sir.
How do
Yes,
you
sir.
change that mindset? Tell us more about it.
Sir, for me, the best motivation was my rank itself. I took my rank as a positive thing for me instead of negative thing. And my family and the greatest motivator for me are the family motivating me that don't go fast, just just focus on the future. And so I really think that don't think what you have done in the past. Just make a target and do and give everything you have to that target.
आई थिंक यू टुक इट इन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव स्पिरिट कि नहीं ये रैंक मैं सच नहीं है मेरा मैं इसको चेंज करना है मैंने एंड यू वर्क
Yes,
हार्ड
sir.
टू and you what a comeback you made it's a marvelous comeback that you made and a great rank that you have achieved
Yes, sir.
can you give a motivating message to a future aspirant who may not have done well in this AIMS exam?
So my message for the future aspirant is that believe in yourself. You can do anything, you can achieve anything. There is no limit to achieve. As many as grand as you can, as many as grand tests, and uh, do all the previous year exams, especially the previous 3 year exam. They're gonna help you a lot in the exam.
And Sachin, can we also meet your parents if they're around?
Yes, sir, sure. Wait a minute. मम्मी आजा मम्मी बुलाना अरे बुला लो आ जाओ निखिल वेट अ मिनट निखिल निखिल आजा हाँ भेजना कहाँ है मम्मी I think my mother is worshipping.
But I think वो उन्हीं की worship से ही you have reached to this
Yeah,
level.
sir. Yes, sir. So she's my mom, and he's my younger brother. He is in pre-foundation course of the dams.
बहुत अच्छा बच्चे मैं फुल स्क्रीन कर रहा हूँ अपने आप को हटा रहा हूँ एक फैमिली पिक्चर के लिए
ठीक है श्योर
है ना सो आंटी कैसा लग रहा है बच्चे ने इतना अच्छा रैंक निकाला है और छोटा भाई तो और भी आगे बढ़ता हुआ जा रहा है दोनों बच्चे आपके
Yes, sir.
आगे बढ़ रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा अभी इसने
यस सर मतलब इसकी अभी क्लासेस चलती है तो इसके साथ मैं भी पढ़ता हूँ मतलब ये मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछता है एंड मतलब काफी मोटिवेट करता है मुझे उस चीज के लिए
सो बच्चे तूने भी निकालनी है रैंक रेडी रही हो आगे है ना गॉड ब्लेस यू
यस
बेटा।
सर, बिल्कुल।
आंटी आपके दोनों बच्चे इतने होशियार हैं। आई थिंक आंटी एवरीथिंग यू हैव ग्रेट ग्रेट चिल्ड्रन। बहुत
थैंक यू।
समझते हैं। And beta, it has been a pleasure to interact with you. I wish you all the best. I hope you get the branch of your choice in the place of your choice.
Thank you so
Any
much.
idea about the branch you want to take?
Sir, my dream branch is medicine, but let's see what happens.
Let's stay positive and let's wait for the PGI
Yes,
result
sir.
also, है ना? I wish you all
Yes,
the
sir.
best, beta. God bless.
I'm waiting for the PG exam.
Yes, yes. And let's make a quick V sign finally. है ना? Congratulations, beta. Congratulations. God bless. God bless.
Thank you so much, sir.
God
Thank
bless
you so
you.
much.